Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah and I'm a wife, a mom, a stepmom, and a working mom, and I do a lot of lifestyle, cleaning, hauls, and inspirational videos. So if you are new, I would love for you to consider subscribing and join me on this YouTube journey. So tonight's video is an after dark cook and clean with me, and as you'll see, I've got this filthy kitchen just staring me in the face after a long day's work. And most of this is actually from dinner from the night before, so I have got to clean this kitchen from the previous night's dinner before preparing dinner for tonight. So I am just here to remind you that you have so much more strength than you realize, and you can do this and push through, and we're going to go ahead and tackle this kitchen together. So now I gotta make sure little Miss 3C is all fed and happy before I start fixing mine and Peter's dinner for the night. So Peter should be getting home from work within the next 20 minutes or so. So for tonight's dinner, I'm preparing scalloped potatoes with fish, and we'll each have a salad with that. And the timing should be perfect. On nights where he works late, we don't like to eat too heavy. And I feel like this is just an easy meal that doesn't take a whole lot of prep work. So I'm adding this chipotle and roasted garlic seasoning. We absolutely love this stuff. We put it on pretty much everything. So I am just topping off the fish with this seasoning as well as salt and pepper, and it adds just the perfect amount of flavor. So now that we're all done with dinner, and I actually went ahead and put Reese down for sleep for the evening, I've got to finish cleaning up the mess from tonight's dinner. So I'm just going to wipe down the counters and freshen everything up. And then I am going to sweep and steam mop my kitchen floor, because that is something I've been wanting to do for a while now, is pull out the steam mop and just really get that floor nice and deep cleaned. Are y'all seeing my goofball husband? He is just the silliest man alive. There is seriously never a dull moment with him, and I just love him so much. He is such an awesome team player and helpmate, and I definitely couldn't do any of this without him. He just makes life so much better. So we are just tackling this load of laundry together as we wind down for the evening, and at this point I will go ahead and start wrapping up this video. I just want to take a minute to thank each and every one of you so much for all of your endless support, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!